Hey guys, what's going on? It's Leah here from Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. And here it is guys, the big international giveaway number 2. The first one is currently active on my Twitter account, in which we will have 5 random quizzes. We are at quiz number 3 at the moment, and number 4 will be tweeted on Wednesday, 3rd October 2018. The names of all those with all 5 correct answers will go into a hat, and 1 lucky winner somewhere around the globe will receive a surprise prize. We also have the NIO giveaway currently active on my Twitter account, which is due to end on the 4th of October 2018. 2 tickets are still up for grabs for 2 lucky winners to attend the spectacular NIO Formula E car launch in London on 8th October 2018. It's an awesome opportunity to witness the launch of Blue Sky coming, and who knows, meet some very well known TV and radio presenters, actors and so on. So if you haven't already, enter to win. We also have the support of the month currently running on my Twitter and Facebook accounts, which ends on the 13th of October 2018. Now guys, having said all that, let's get to the point for why you've really come here today. The big international giveaway number 2, courtesy of LG. I recently received and reviewed the amazing LG XBoom range of portable award-winning speakers, the PK3, PK5 and PK7, all packed with Meridian audio technology, lots of power, lighting and features. Well guys, the success of these speakers has been humongous. I personally love all 3, and I feel that one of you awesome peeps, if you haven't already, deserve to experience the sound and bass the power beast of the 3 the PK7 offers. Again, courtesy of LG, my most favourite speaker out the 3, PK7 is up for grabs for 1 lucky winner. This is an international giveaway and is now active via the Gleam link in the description box below. It will end on the 1st of November 2018, and you guys have plenty of ways to enter, with daily entry tasks included, to increase your chances of winning. Once again, the link for the giveaway is in the description box below this video, and for those who cannot wait for the giveaway to end and would like to grab 1, 2 or all 3 of the speakers sooner, they are on a discount at the moment, and the link for all 3 are in the description box below this video. Good luck to everyone who's entering, and don't forget to check out my recent vids. These include the top 5 Android TV boxes under $50 and the review of the LG PK3, PK5 and PK7 speakers. Now that is it for now guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until the next one guys, take care, bye.